Give me your body back before you get us sued! I thought we were all past this! La 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 la. Oh shit! You know, most people like me. I bet I can win you over. I'll sing you a song. People love my beautiful tender voice. United States, Canada, Mexico, Haiti, Jamaica, Peru, Republic, Dominican. You picked the wrong animation icon to torment with. I am one of a kind, baby! I'm having a existential crisis. I call Nick Carter. Who the hell am I?
Howdy!
I give up. We win. Just please don't draw me with extra arms. Anything but that. You silly little bitch! I'll fuck you up! Oh my bitch! Wait! Have mercy on me, please! Outside my vintage Kata collection, I have those 90s. I blog creating the overused self-armor. Also, the last 2 seasons of Game of Thrones. Torturing cartoons is the only outlet I have! And I mean, you're like my favorite Warner sibling. I mean, honestly, really, you are.
Oh.
Shit, well, of course. Alright, sister, I'll let you off the hook. But you have to do something for me.
Oh my god, we make a totally good team.